So many importance of the trees, and some of it is source of food, source of clothing, source of shelter, source of materials for school supplies, give us shades, and prevent air pollution. Importance of trees. Do you know how many trees? Almost 3 trillion. It is difficult to imagine such as a large number. Every year, almost 15 billion are cut down. It's crazy. Trees are an essential part of the environment. They make the environment beautiful and fit for the existence of various species for organisms. Life on the earth will not be possible without trees. They are important to us in many ways. It would not be wrong to say that trees give us life. Benefits of trees. Trees make the environment clean and beautiful. Trees provide clean oxygen to us by absorbing contaminated and poisonous carbon dioxide from our environment. Many living species lives in trees. Trees form the natural habitat of many animals, birds, and insects. Trees helps reduce air, water, and noise pollution. Trees prevent erosion of the land and prevent flooding. Trees in the summer season give shade to the animals, birds, and humans, which make them feel happy in the sunny sunshine. We get flowers, fruits, rubber, silk, paper, matchmaking, wood, herbs, and other minerals substances from trees. Essential oils derived from tree. Example, eucalyptus, almond, camphor, etc. are used in medicinal and aroma industries. We get valuable herbs from which many diseases are cured. Due to trees, the surface of the earth remains cool, due to which the temperature does not increase. Many birds and other wild animals make their homes in trees. Leaves out oxygen. Trees are a barrier against heavy rain damaging the soil. Trees stop wind blowing dry soil away. Roots soak up water so that topsoil is not washed away. Trees are vital as the biggest plants on the planet. They give us oxygen, store carbon, stabilize the soil, and give life to the world's wildlife. They also provide us with the materials for tools and shelter. Trees help settle out and trap dust, pollen, and smoke from the air. Trees create an ecosystem to provide, absorb carbon dioxide and potentially harmful gases such as sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide from the air, and release oxygen. Trees contribute to their environment by providing oxygen, improving air quality, climate amelioration, concerning water, preserving soil, and supporting wildlife. During the process, the photosynthesis trees take in carbon dioxide and produce the oxygen we breathe. Why should not cut trees? The reason why we should not cut trees. Cutting down of trees is known as deforestation. The remaining part of the trees dries up and the roots no longer hold the soil together. This leaves the soil exposed and in danger of being corroded by the agents of soil erosion, is either water, wind, animals. Another importance and benefits derived from planting trees and fruit trees. Importance of planting trees and fruit trees to the family and community. 1. Food like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and sugar. 2. Wood used as fuel for cooking and heating. 3. Construction materials which include lumber, plywood, and board. 4. Fiber for the production of pulp and papers. 5. Chemical production such as resin, rubber, and turpentine. Benefits derived from trees. Clean air. Trees helps in absorbing odors and pollutant gases such as sulfur dioxide, ozone, nitrogen oxides, etc. and provide us with fresh air. Trees provide oxygen. Oxygen is life. I hope you understand what importance of oxygen is for survival. The only resource of oxygen is tree. Trees cool the streets and the city. Trees cool the streets and the cities by their shade, and evaporation from the leaf surface cool the city further by up to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Hence, they are called the natural air conditioner. Trees active lifestyle. Trees helps in improving health as they strongly encourage people to go to parks or in green environment for walking, exercising, jogging or biking, which helps them reduce obesity and keeps them fit. Raise proper value. Homes with more trees or having green ambience in surroundings tend to have higher property value than those without trees because it decreases pollution and have fresh air around, which attracts people more. Trees shield from ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays are very harmful for anyone and can cause the most common form of cancer, either skin cancer. Trees provide food. Trees provide food for human being and also for birds and wildlife. Trees heal. According to the studies, people with green ambience out their windows heal faster and with less difficult or complications. 1. What role do trees play in today's global warming? 2. How do trees contribute to a healthy and safe environment? 3. Why are trees important to the family and community? I telling again, trees are vital. As the biggest plants on the planet, they give us oxygen, store carbon, stabilize the soil, and give life to the world's wildlife. They also provide us with the materials for tools and shelter. Trees help settle out and trap dust, pollen, and smoke from the air. Trees create an ecosystem to provide habitat and food for birds and other animals. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and potentially harmful gases such as sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide from the air, and release oxygen. Trees contribute to their environment by providing oxygen, improving air quality, climate, amelioration concerning water, preserving soil, and supporting wildlife during the process of photosynthesis. Trees take in carbon dioxide and produce the oxygen we breathe. Our conclusion: the tree is our valuable asset. If we continue to exploit it, then this wealth will end, our life will also end. We have to understand the importance of trees because they are the protectors of the whole nature. As long as it is present on earth, then there is life on earth. Without this, the earth will become just a dry and barren planet. So it's our duty to preserve such as beautiful creatures of God, and thus we must promote afforestation, and discourage activities that are harmful to our trees. Thank you and be safe.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데